Okay, so this time, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano natin isolve yung mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data. So, meron tayong example ng ating dataset, which is 1, 2, 4, 7, 9, and 12. So, dito sa ating dataset na ito, ating isosolve kung ano yung ating mean, median, at saka mode. So, ano nga ba ang tawag sa tatlong term na ito? So, these three terms ay tinatawag siya na measures of central tendency. Bakit nga ba siya tinawag na measures of central tendency? Kasi itong tatlong term na ito ay minsan tinatawag din ito sila or sinusolve din nito ang average ng ating dataset. So minsan, itong measures of central tendency is siya rin yung nagme-measure ng middle value ng ating dataset. So for example, meron tayong dataset na 1, 2, 4, 7, 9, and 12. So ano yung mean ng dataset na ito? So anyway, ang mean class ay commonly known as an average. So ano ba yung formula in computing our mean? So the formula in computing our mean is x bar is equal to summation of all values divided by the number of values. Meaning, i-add natin yung lahat ng ating values. Pagkatapos nating ma-add, i-divide naman natin siya kung ilan yung values natin. So that is, ang kanyang symbol ay x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. So, yung sigma x na yan is, ang ibig sabihin yan class is, yan yung summation of all values. So, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 all over 6. 6 siya class kasi yung dami ng ating dataset or values is 6. So, ang total ng ating values is 35 or 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9 and plus 12 is 35 divided by 6 is equal to 5.83. So ito na ngayon ang average ng ating dataset. Okay, so let us have another example. So our dataset is 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 7, and 9. So what is the average of this dataset? Okay, again, to determine the mean or average of our dataset is i-add natin lahat yung mga values and then i-divide natin siya kung ilan yung values natin. So that is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 and plus 9 all over 7 or divided by 7. Bakit siya 7? Kasi yung number ng ating dataset class is 7. Kaya divided by 7. So let's get the total of this dataset. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 is 31 divided by yung ating number of values which is 7. So 31 divided by 7 is 4.43. So yan po yung average or mean ng example number 2 natin.